We are looking at how to pronounce this word. This word that confuses a lot of people, indeed, because there are different ways of pronouncing it. We are going to be looking at how to say very closely related words as well, so you understand really well all of those different pronunciations of different words that are closely related to this one. You'll see what I mean in a second. So what are the two different ways of saying this? In British English, it is normally said as Esthetician. Esthetician. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the T syllable. In American English, however, this is normally said as Esthetician. Esthetician. There is also, believe it or not, a different spelling for this word as this one, with AE at the beginning, because this is a word of Greek origin. The first part of the word meaning to perceive something. Did you get this so far? Esthetician or Esthetician. Although some closely related words, just like this one, are pronounced relatively similarly between British English and American English. This is said, for example, as Esthetics in British English or Esthetics in American English, so rather similarly. Same way here in British English, Aesthetic or Esthetic. Now this one again is going to be rather different, with Esthete in British English against Esthete in American English. I know, it's not very easy. The two pronunciations here are also going to be similar as Esthetical. Esthetical in American English or Esthetical in British English. Similarly here, Aesthetically in British English versus Aesthetically in American English, Aesthetically in British English, Aesthetically in American English. So, all in all, it can be a little bit confusing which word to pronounce with an E sound at the beginning or an S sound at the beginning. But at least you know it all now. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.